Welcome to my channel. How to set up the TP-LINK Deco M4 Mesh Wi-Fi system. Step 1. Unbox the Deco M4, take out the Deco units, power adapters, and Ethernet cable from the package. Step 2. Download the TP-LINK Deco app, install the TP-LINK Deco app on your iOS or Android device for guided setup. Step 3. Power on the main Deco unit. Connect one Deco unit to power and wait until the LED light pulses blue, ready for setup. Step 4. Connect to the modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the main Deco unit to your modem's LAN port. Step 5. Open the Deco app, launch the Deco app, create or log into your TP-LINK account, and follow the setup instructions. Step 6. Configure Wi-Fi settings. Choose a Wi-Fi name, SSID, and strong password for your new mesh network. Step 7. Add additional Deco units. Place extra Deco units in different rooms, plug them in, and follow the app to pair them wirelessly. Step 8. Optimize Deco placement. Ensure each Deco is within a good range of the main unit for seamless connectivity. Step 9. Finalize the setup. The app will test the connection and confirm that the mesh network is successfully set up. Step 10. Enjoy your mesh Wi-Fi. Connect devices to the new Deco M4 Wi-Fi, and enjoy strong, uninterrupted coverage. Thank you for watching.